Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be looking at one of the crypto challenges from the GuidePoint Security CTF. So be sure to stick around and stay tuned. All right, in this challenge, we're going to be looking at sub. It's one of the crypto challenges for 200 points. And it says, this looks fun. And it looks like we have a key, and let me just copy this, and some encrypted text possibly. So let's copy this and hop on over to the terminal, and let's call it sub, and paste that in here. Okay, so it looks like we have some kind of encrypted string, and we have a key, which looks like a Python dictionary. We have a key of 1 and a value of J, key of 0, value of capital X. So this looks like some type of substitution cipher that we have to leverage this key to decrypt this message. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So we're going to start off with our typical user bin env python 3. And actually, before we do that, let me move sub to sub.py, and then we'll nvim sub.py. All right, that makes it a little more readable. Okay, so we have our key and we have our encrypted string. So what we want to do is we have to find a way to iterate through the objects in the encrypted string and compare those values at the position they're in to what is in the key value pairs in the key, if that makes sense. So let's actually start by defining a function, and we're going to call it decrypt. And let's actually take in an object, because we're going to pass in our encrypted string. And then I want to, since I'm going to be iterating through this, if we find a match, we want to actually append that to another list. So I'm going to create a list called decrypted, if I can spell that correctly. And it's just going to be an empty list for now. So let's see. What we want to do is, for each character in the encrypted string, we want to compare it with the key value pair in the key dictionary. So let's start by saying for C in obj, because that's what we're passing in. In this case, it's going to be the encrypted string. And then we're going to do another loop, and we're going to say for KV in key.items, because when you're iterating through a dictionary, since you have a key value pair, you have to kind of use two objects in your for loop for that, and then you reference those objects by getting key.items. So you're looking at key.items to iterate through all the key value pairs in the dictionary. I hope that makes sense. It took me a while to actually understand that, but yeah, just try this out for yourself and you'll figure it out. So if C equals K, just one K, and let's get a colon in there. We're going to append to decrypted, decrypted.append. We're going to append K, and otherwise we'll continue. And then at the end of this, we're going to print decrypted. Actually, let's do it this way. Since it's going to be a list, we want to actually print .join decrypted. That way we join all the characters together. And so now we'll call our decrypt function on encrypted. let's try this out and see what happens. Okay, that is not it. That is actually our encrypted string. So let's do this. Let's go back over here. We're going to say, instead of the K, if C equals V, let's append V, and let's try this. That did not work either. Why didn't that work? Did I not save this? Oh, I see what it is. We have to append K. Let's save that. Now let's try it. And there we go, we got our flag. So we're going to take this here, copy it, and paste this in. And there we go, we got another 200 points. So that'll do it for this video. That's the sub challenge for the GuidePoint CTF. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.